Newton's laws of motion. Today we will learn all three laws of Newton's in detail. Detailed explanation of Newton's laws, first law, second law, and third law. Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law is the law of inertia. A body remains at rest or continues to move with uniform velocity in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. If an object is not moving, it will not move on its own, and if it is moving, it will continue to moving with same speed and direction unless a force act on it. मीन्स कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर रेस्ट में है तो वो अपने आप मूव नहीं होगा जब तक उसके ऊपर कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स नहीं लगती। और बॉडी अगर मूव कर रही है तो उसकी स्पीड तब तक चेंज नहीं होगी जब तक उसके ऊपर कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स एक्ट नहीं होती है। दिस इज अ लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया। फर्स्ट लॉ इज अ लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया where tendency of a body to resist change in its state of motion, and types is inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. Now Newton's second law of motion. In Newton's second law of motion we will learn about the motion. The rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction of the force. The mathematical formula of second law of Newton is F is equal to m into A, where F is equal to force, m is equal to mass, and A is equal to acceleration. The meaning of this is that more force means more acceleration, and if the object is heavier, then the force required is also more force. So acceleration will be more. A simple and general example of the second law is kicking a football. In kicking a football, ball moves it easily, but if it is a stone, then it will move less. A loaded truck needs more force to move than an empty truck. It means that the second law of Newton's is mainly defines the force and acceleration. Just like first law was for law of inertia, the second law is for force and acceleration. Now the Newton's third law of motion. In Newton's third law of motion, the main statement is for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. For every action there is equal and opposite reaction is the main statement of Newton's third law. The general explanation of the Newton's third law is that forces always occur in pairs. Pairs means if we hit something, then that body will oppose to you, that body will equally opposite to you, means action have equal opposite reaction. जब हम रास्ते पे चलते हैं तो रास्ता जो रोड होता है वो हमारे चलने के लिए अपोज पैदा करता है, रेजिस्टेंस पैदा करता है, उसके कारण हमारी स्पीड कम हो जाती है। वॉकिंग फुट पुशेस ग्राउंड बैकवर्ड, ग्राउंड पुशेस यू फॉरवर्ड। रॉकेट में भी वैसे ही होता है। रॉकेट में गैस मूव्स बैकवर्ड होता है तभी रॉकेट मूव्स फॉरवर्ड होता है।